So this is the home switch. So when this is engaged, you take off this cap right here. You take off this, so this cap right there. Yep. Sometimes it can be a little. Yep. I'll hold that. Thank you.
Oh, okay.
Yep, that's the seal. Training.
How often do you refill them?
We refill about 3 times a week. Yeah, so it all depends, but we're here at least 3 times a week.
I see. People are using it.
People are using it. Yeah, we had to replace 2 bags on this guy
I
so
see.
far. Yeah, so the sunscreen is 100% natural. It's 22.5% zinc oxide. It's only active ingredient. So it does rub on. We did micronize it, but it does rub on and leaves a little layer to reflect the sun.
Thank you.
Yep. And I can show you how if you need to. Yeah, for sure. So I hold the duck fill. So this duck fill, I hold it, and then